Hello everyone. Hi, this is your host Ajay Fredi. Welcome to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This a small discussion will be about the University of Florence scholarships, which has the name the Pegasus Scholarship from Toscana region. So this is regional scholarship. It is offered by headquarters of University of Florence. So the Pegasus Scholarship and the 41 cycle call was open. Basically, it is open from 8th of July, and today it is the deadline. So I will be going through it very quickly. So these scholarships have deadline today. So talking about the different aspects of this call, as you can go through these different subjects. These are the topics given in this call. Table of contents, subject, number of positions available, admission requirements, Pegasus scholarships 2025 results, positions, application. So most of the things are included in this call. So admission procedure will be there as well. So we will go through the when will be the intro as well. So all the information is provided in this PDF. I will be sharing this link as well in the description. So I will go through quickly so that as the time is going, you can apply it if you go through this information, if you come to know this information. So positions with scholarship funded, the available positions are scholarships, research topics including set research topics, any reserved position without scholarship, study and research periods abroad, and the procedure for the admission tests are indicated in the individual doctoral programs fact sheets in an Access 2. I will share the link of this as well. An integral part of this call. The positions with scholarship funded by external bodies, public or private, will be awarded only upon the transfer of funds to the University of Florence. So these positions will be available if these bodies will provide funds to University of Florence. So winners of the set topic scholarships are required to conduct doctoral research on a specific topic indicated in the program outline. For doctoral programs that do not make positions available without a scholarship, successful candidates cannot enroll in the PhD program by forfeiting the scholarship award. Where provided by the individual doctoral programs, positions without a scholarship may be assigned following the order in the final ranking. So the thing is when there is any position without scholarship, there will be very minimal fee annually. So these are the admission requirements as we have discussed in other many scholarship videos by different universities of Italy. You can see these videos, any one of these videos on this YouTube channel by browsing through different videos on scholarships by Italian universities. So these are the same admission requirements. Master degree, international recognized master is required, and then other requirement, those who will be awarded one of the above degrees by the start of the program date are also eligible. So by the start of the program, you must have obtained one of these degrees. This is equivalent to the master degrees. So these are the details about the Pegasus Scholarship 2025. In order to award the regional Toscana Pegasus Doctoral Scholarship 2025, applicants must meet the following additional requirements. So these are the additional requirements here as well. They must be less than 35 years of age. So there is age requirement at the time of submitting the applications for the admission of the competition. They must have adequate knowledge of English, so they must have English proficiency letter. You can provide those. Secondly, at the time of enrollment, successful candidates must also formally declare that they will undertake to. So this is an undertaking. You will have to do this, that you will follow these things. So this is the application procedure here. you can follow these steps to apply online. So deadline, as I have mentioned, it is today, so try to apply as quick as possible. I will put some important links in the description. So a little bit about the scholarship fact sheets programs. This is the application procedure. This link will also be provided in the description. So this is the guideline how to apply for this scholarship too. So be quick guys, the time is very limited for this scholarship as deadline is today, so try to apply as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, to kindly subscribe this channel so that you can get more updates about different scholarships around the world, and you can get important information about how to apply for the scholarships and to fulfill your future study dreams. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.